This is our first clean out for today, so I'm just going to walk you through what we've done. So the customers did want their plants trimmed back, so we did cut off most of the plants, but they did want them to be able to grow back. We did drain down the pond. We removed quite a few fish. They're getting rid of a few of their goldfish, so we are keeping their giant koi that they got. Right now, Spencer is going ahead and restacking the rocks, and he's also repositioning the lighting, which we're going to be checking here in a bit to make sure that they're still working. I did remove lily plants from the pond itself, and we are repotting them into some pots that the customer has provided. We pressure washed the system, we cleaned out the skimmer, and now we're just going to wait until we get it all rinsed down, getting the water as clear as we can, and then we're going to be rehoming the fish back in.
Alright, we're just finishing up this pond clean out. Got everything cleaned up, we pressure washed the bottom of it, got all the bacteria off of there. We jump started the system with beneficial bacteria, and going forward the client's going to want to dose it every 3 days for the next 2 weeks just to jump start that system again. Now, they do have fish, so it's really important that we get them back to their original stable environment as soon as possible. Right now, the water is looking pretty mucky, and that's because we stirred everything up at the bottom, and it still needs about 48 hours to settle. So in the next 24 to 48 hours, that sediment is going to settle towards the bottom, and the water is going to clear up, and it's going to look really good.